This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, and just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy! And Tim! It's time to send our birthday party invitations! Special invitation.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, Grandma!
Thanks for coming over, Jean. Can I take that for you? Thank
Can
you.
I help?
Oh, please do, Topsy. Good girl.
Thanks,
Let's take it
lovelies.
through here. Come with me. Yeah. Let's just pop.
We're inviting all our friends to our birthday party, and we're going to decorate our house. Please, may I have a look in the box at all the party decorations, Grandma?
Not yet, Topsy. First, I need my Hello Grandma huggle.
Oh, not now, Grandma.
Tim's writing his name on their birthday party invitations.
Well done, Tim. Then I shall have my huggle from you first, Topsy, and then with you, Tim.
Okay, come on, Mossy. Squeeze! Please, may I have a look in the box at all the party stuff now?
Go on, then.
Come on, Mossy. Look. Wow, Tim, can I see all this? And I finished my writing. Mossy, look. Squeeze.
It's special party bunting, Topsy. We'll decorate the room with it for your 5th birthday party.
I think Mossy likes it.
Oh, so do I.
Oh, careful, Mossy, out of there, please.
Yes, I think so. Do you know, I think she might be a bit thirsty.
Oh, I'll get you a drink of water, Mossy. Come on. Mossy, a water bowl. Topsy, look, I'm using the orange pen to do the in Tim. There, done. Look, Topsy, I've written my whole name all in different colours and in my best handwriting. Look, Topsy. Oh, that looks nice, Tim. It's especially for Tony. Hey, Mossy! Can you just please write your name just here? In a minute. Mossy. In a minute. No, please, Topsy, can you do it now? I just need to fill the bowl. No, Topsy! Sorry. Oh, Topsy, look. Look what you've done. It's all wet. Sorry. And the writing's gone all runny. I'm really sorry, Tim. You can do Tony another card. No, I can't because that was the last one. Oh, Tim! I told you I was sorry. Please come back down. I feel sad that I made a mess of Tim's special invitation for Tony. But it was an accident. I didn't mean to do it. Oh, I wish Tim would come downstairs now.
Oh, leave him for a little bit, and then we can pop upstairs and see him later once you've got all his invitations, OK?
Look, do you like it, Grandma?
Oh,
It's Josie Miller's invitation.
yes, that's lovely writing, Topsy. And well done. That's all the invitations finished.
But we need one more invitation. We can't give Tony this one. It's all wet and smudged.
Oh, yes.
See? I've got an idea for Tony's invitation, but I need your help.
Oh, what are we going to do?
Come and have a look at this. Right, so I was thinking...
Mummy's idea is to make an extra special invitation for Tony on the computer. It's a surprise for Tim. Tim, I've come to say I'm sorry again. I've made a special invitation for Tony. What is it? I made it on the computer with Mummy, look. It's a special invitation. Made from a photograph. Well, Topsy, using a photograph was a really good idea. I know. Open it. Oh, yes, Mummy's written the party things inside. Do you think Tony will like it? I think he will absolutely love it. Thanks, Topsy. That's okay. I'm really sorry I messed up your special invitation, Tim. Oh, it's okay, because this invitation is much better. But I know how we can make it even better, Topsy. Come with me on the computer. Okay. Mummy, do you think you have any more photos of Tony on your computer, please?
Yes, I've got lots. Let me see, hang on.
Do you think you have a photo of me, Tony, and Topsy?
Let me see. Oh, like this one?
Oh, yes, that's brilliant! That's the photo we should use at the back of Tony's invitation.
Oh, look, Topsy and Tim with Tony. That's nice.
Now we need to decorate it in number 5s.
Oh, okay. Well, tell you what, why don't you both jump on my lap and we can get started.
I know how to do it. Mummy told me. Now, click on the number 5 you want to use.
Drag it over onto the photo, Tim. Good boy.
Yay!
Well done.
Number 5's do one, Tim. Yep. Number 5's a big number. Now which one? Look, this one. Do another one. We decorate Tony's photo together.
Well done, you two. Now should we print it?
Yeah. And when we print it, it looks really good.
Oh, I say.
Take it.
Wow, well
clever.
done, you two. That's beautiful.
Oh.
Show it to Topsy.
That's really good. Brilliant. Okay, now, all we need to do is stick it on the back of Tony's invitation. Yes.
Okay, why don't you go get some glue? That's right, Topsy.
No, it's here. Oh.
Stick it on. Oh, you're right, Tim. There we go.
I'm going to write his name in green. And then we can both sign our names. Yes, from both of us. In our best handwriting. Yes.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, brilliant.
We take ages writing Tony's card. What a blue! Then I show Tim Grandma's party box. Look at this red party hat. Woohoo! He's got the wow! Oh, look at this green hat.
Thank you for helping with the party things.
That's okay, Grandma.
Oh, what you doing? Oh, hats. Can I try one?
Yeah, here.
Oh, actually, I'll try.
Birthday candles.
There we go. What do you think?
You're funny, Grandma. And that's when Grandma said, Mossy's ready for her walk.
Mossy's ready for her walk, Topsy and Tim, so shall we walk her to the post box so you can post your party invitations?
Yay! I want to post Tony's extra special invitation. And I want to post Lucy Miller's invitation through her door. She only lives across the road. Please, may I, Mummy?
Yes, of course you can, Topsy. We can pop it through her letterbox on the way. Come on, everybody, let's go.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we made some special party invitations. Can you remember the number we used on our special invitations? Was it number 4? Or was it number 5? The answer is behind Wiggles the rabbit. Look, the answer is number 5. Watch this. to decorate it in number 5s.
Oh, okay. Well, tell you what, why don't you both jump on my lap and we can get started.
I know how to do it. Mummy told me. Now, click on the number 5 you want to use.
Drag it over onto the photo, Tim. Good boy.
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play